A blue screen typically refers to a blue screen of death BSOD, which is a stock error screen displayed on a Windows computer system after a fatal system error. Also known as a system crash, it indicates that the operating system has encountered a critical error from which it cannot recover, and it usually requires the computer to be restarted. Causes of blue screen hardware failures. Issues with hardware components like RAM, hard drives, or overheating can cause BSODs. Driver conflicts. Incompatible or corrupt drivers can lead to system crashes. Software issues. Faulty software installations, including system updates, can trigger BSODs. Overclocking hardware beyond its capabilities can result in instability. Corrupted system files. Essential system files that are missing or corrupted can cause critical errors. Malware. Certain types of malware can cause system instability and lead to blue screens. How to address blue screen issues. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Update drivers. Ensure that all hardware drivers are up to date and compatible with your operating system. Check for software updates. Keeping your operating system and installed software up to date can prevent conflicts. Run a system scan. Use built-in tools like Windows Memory Diagnostic and Cheeks to check for hardware issues and repair system files. Check for overheating. Ensure that your system is adequately cooled and not overheating. Scan for malware. Run a comprehensive malware scan to ensure your system is not compromised. System restore if the issue started after a recent change. Consider using System Restore to revert to a previous state. If a blue screen persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional or consider a fresh installation of the operating system. The blue screen typically provides an error code and description, which can be helpful in diagnosing the specific issue.